So today I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Public investing app. So we're going to have the app loaded up here in real time and take you step by step. So here on the main page of Public, we're going to go ahead and click on the bottom right hand icon. And what we're going to do is have it here on the main section for your account. If you scroll down just a tiny bit, you're going to see where it says deposit funds. So if we click on here, it's going to bring up an option to choose how much you want to have deposited. They have a few sections of, preset numbers like 100, 250 and all that, but you can hit different amount and you can type in the amount you want to transfer over. So you can do like $10 and hit continue. But before you do, you can see at the top where for mine it says SoFi Money. That's where it shows the bank that it's pulling your money from. If you want to switch banks, just go ahead and click on that and choose a different bank, whether you have to quickly log in through Plaid or go through any other method. Now, once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and click on continue. And right over here, it says $10 will be deposited into your Public account. And then you can hit continue right over here, and then it's going through. Now, once you hit that, you're gonna have it right over here where it says deposit initiated, and it'll tell you how long it's gonna take for that money to pop into your account. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click on done, and you are gonna be ready to have instant cash available for you. Now, they do this up to a certain amount, so you're not gonna have all your money always available instantly, but this way you can start using that $10 right away. So that way you can go ahead and start buying into stocks right away, which if you wanna learn how to do that on Public, check out my video right over here to learn how to buy your first stock. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.